Miss Lorie, and I'm a children's librarian in the Outreach Services Department. And today I'm going to have a helper. This is my sister Lisa. Lisa, say hello to the children.
Hello.
All right, and today we're going to show you how to make, pick up your butterfly, a butterfly. All right, for this craft, what are we going to need, Lisa? Coffee filters. Coffee filters. All right, you're going to need 2 coffee filters for every butterfly you want to make. What else are we going to need?
Markers.
Markers. You're going to need washable, water-soluble markers. What else are we going to need?
Pipe.
Pipe cleaners. All right, pipe cleaners. All right. Water. All right. So you can either have a cup of water or something that you would spray. You need something to put your project on as you work.
Plates.
So we used plates, but you can use anything, a pie tin or a pizza pan, anything that would keep the water from going onto the table. And then you might want to have some towels just in case you make a mess. All right, so what are we going to do first? Oh, we need how many of these?
1.
Well, how many do we need?
2.
We need 2. All right, so you take 2 coffee filters, you kind of smooth them out and put them on your working surface. Okay? And then you take your markers. How many markers did we use when we did colors?
3.
3. We used 3 different colors. That seemed to work the best. It gave us all of these pretty colors when we finished our project. So 3 markers will work. So pick 3. And then you start adding some decoration to your coffee filters. So what did you do when you did yours? Did you do circles?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did circles. I did lines when I did mine. So any type of decoration will work. Remember, it'll just work because when it finishes, the water will take the marker and move it around the whole entire coffee filter. The more white space you have, the lighter your project will be. The more marker you have on it, the darker your project will be. Okay, so I did some lines and then I also added some dots to mine. Do you want to show them and add some dots to this? All right. All right, add some dots. I'll add some pink dots to it. All right. All right, so adding your decoration. You can decorate it any way you want to. Just remember, if you lose too much of your white space, it'll be very, very dark. What do we do next?
Water.
The water. All right. So you don't have to have anything to spray or drop it on with. You can use your hands and drop it on. Do you want to try some?
Yeah, right.
All right. All right. Go ahead and drop some water on there. That'll take a while to do. You want to make sure your coffee filter gets a lot of moisture to it. You don't want to make a puddle, but you want to make sure that water goes all the way through. And see what's happening? The water is taking the marker and moving it through. All right. But you can also use things like eyedroppers and this laundry water bottle. Oh, it helps if you turn it on. That makes it go a little bit faster. Did I get you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. All right, that's what sisters do, right? So when we craft at home, we often do that to each other. So the water picks it up. Now, what happens to the marker when the water hits it? It's absorbed, right? It's absorbed. So the water is absorbed into the coffee filter and it starts moving the marker around. Now, depending on how much water you use, you're going to have to let this dry. So it has to dry completely before you go on to the next step. All right, so it dries completely. If you have a warm, sunny spot, it might only take an hour or two for it to dry. If you don't have a warm, sunny spot, it might take 4 or 5 hours. I let mine sit overnight just to be sure. All right, so once your coffee filters are dry, and we have a nice dry working spot, we can start putting it together. Do you remember how we put it together?
Pipe cleaners.
With the pipe cleaners. But what did we have to do before the pipe cleaners?
Fold them.
We had to fold them. Would you like to demonstrate the folding? All right, so you're going to have to fold each of your coffee filters. We've separated them. We're folding them. All right, so fold. And then you're going to flip. So flip it over. There you go. And fold until you get two that look like this. You're a very good folder.
Oh, thank you, Sissy.
You're welcome. All right. All right, we're almost there. All right, let's move this one down just a little bit so it's free. There you go. All right, 2 more folds. 1, 2, maybe 2.5, huh? All right, and then the last one. There we go. All right, so we put that on top. And then what do we need?
Pipe cleaner.
A pipe cleaner. Are you picking the pink one?
Yeah.
That'll go nicely with that. So you put the pipe cleaner down, match it up so your tops are even, and then what do?
Twisty.
We twist, right. All right, so you just give it 2 or 3 twists. All right, so that way, and then what do? You unfold and spread out your wings. All right, as she's doing that. All right, there we go. And then we'll flip it over so everybody can see. There is your butterfly. All right. Yeah? Did we do a good job?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think the kids will do a good job?
Yeah.
I think they will too. All right. So that is how you make a butterfly. And now we're going to tell a story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And today we're going to do a puppet show version of The Very Hungry Caterpillar. All right, so Lisa's going to be my helper. All right. Should we start?
Yeah.
All right, do you remember how we start?
Yes.
All right, with an egg, right?
Egg.
An egg. In the moonlight, a tiny egg lay on a
Leaf.
leaf. One night, in the morning, the sun came out. And what happened?
Pops.
Pop! Out of the egg came a
Caterpillar.
caterpillar, a tiny but very hungry caterpillar. He went looking for some food. Is there any food for him? Oh, you do have some food. All right, what do you have?
An apple.
An apple. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple. Nom, 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 nom. On Tuesday, he ate through pears. How many pears?
2.
2. He ate through 2 pears. 1.
1.
Nom, 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 nom.
2.
2. Nom, 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 nom. 2 pears. On Wednesday, he ate through
A plum.
plum. How many plums?
3.
3. Nom, 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 nom.
1.
Nom, 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 nom.
3.
Nom, 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 nom. On Thursday, he ate through
Strawberries.
4 strawberries. Nom 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 nom.
2.
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. 4 strawberries.
He's still hungry.
But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through
An orange.
how many oranges? 5. 5 oranges. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
3.
Nom 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 nom.
4.
Nom 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 nom.
5.
Nom 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 nom. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of
Cake.
nom 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 nom.
Ice cream.
1 ice cream cone. Nom 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 nom.
Pickle.
1 pickle. Nom 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 nom.
Salami.
1 slice of salami. Nom 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 nom.
Swiss cheese.
1 slice of Swiss cheese. Nom 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 nom. 1 lollipop. Nom. Are you done? Well, you're going to have to lick faster. 1 piece of
Cherry pie.
1
Sausage.
sausage. Nom 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 nom.
A cupcake.
Nom 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 nom.
Watermelon.
Nom 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 nom. That night, he had
A tummy ache.
a stomach ache. Poor caterpillar. Should you have eaten that people food? No. What do you think he should eat, Lisa?
A leaf.
A leaf. The next day was Sunday. And he ate through
A
1 green leaf. Nom 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 nom. And he felt
Much better.
much better. In fact, he felt so good that night he built himself a house called a cocoon. And he stayed inside the cocoon for how long, Lisa?
2.
2 whole weeks. All right, do you want to sing the Days of the Week song while we wait? All right, here we go. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's
Monday.
Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. Then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Oh, that was 2 weeks. Do you think he's ready?
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the second week, he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out. Help him. Oh. And he was a
Butterfly.
butterfly. Is that a good story?
Yeah.
Yeah? That is a wonderful story. And what kind of animal is the butterfly? What kind of animal is he?
Cocoon.
A cocoon? Well, that's where he stayed. Is he an insect?
Insect.
He's an insect. All right. Yeah. So our caterpillar turned into a butterfly, and he is an insect. Well, that was a fun story. Can you tell the children goodbye? Bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye, Mom, Dad.
Get free arts and crafts videos with your library card.